Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need wallet ready with an active card and Face ID or Touch ID set up. Once done, open Messages and choose the person you're sending money to. Tap the App Store icon next to the text box, then choose the Apple Pay app in iMessage. Enter the amount using the keypad and review the payment summary so you avoid mistakes. Make sure the card selected is correct before you tap Pay. Authentication will prompt immediately. After you tap Pay, you must authorize the transaction. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode depending on your device. If you need to change the card or split the amount, tap the displayed amount or card before authorizing so the correct funding source is used. Once authorized, a payment bubble appears in the conversation. You can add a short note before sending. Pay attention to the preview so you know the recipient and amount are correct. You'll see a confirmation in the thread when the payment is sent. If the recipient accepts, funds move instantly to their Apple Cash or card. Check wallet or your bank statement to confirm the posted transaction and save the receipt if needed. If something goes wrong, make sure both devices have internet, are updated to the latest iOS, and share the same region settings. Also confirm your Apple ID and payment card status. If errors persist, retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.